Okay, let me address a problem. I've had some students uh, notify me that they can't type in the numbers when they're doing the angles. So it appears the students that have done so have been working on VMware with a Mac. I have no clue why that is, but I've watched them do it, and sure enough, it's it's not quite working. So I'm going to show you how it's normally done again, and then I'm going to show you how to get around the problem if it doesn't work. So here's my line tool, and I've got my units. My units are set, and I've got my dynamic button showing. I have dynamic input on right now, so I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to click the endpoint and then come over here. Now, if I've got ortho on, it does get a little bit hard, but that was not the case. And if I have polar tracking on, it can be a problem. Those should be off. That was not the case with these students. So here we go. Click, and I draw it up here, and I type a distance 115.1. There's no foot symbol or anything like that because I'm already in feet. Tab, and then it pops over to there. And I think it's north 3D 15 minutes west. And that's how it should be. And oh, let's get our layer right. By the way, the property cprop should be blue phantom 2.028. So there he is. That's how it goes. If that does not work for some reason, it's just not doing its thing. Here's what you can do. It's another way to do it. I'm going to turn off the dynamic input. So now you can see it's light, it's gray. The button is not on. When I click on the button, it kind of turns blue. That means it's on. Or I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and down at the bottom I have something called the command line. You can move that around, but I'm going to do a line, and down here it's telling me where are you going to start. I'm going to start there, and then it says where are you going to go, and I don't care where you put it. It can go anywhere because I'm going to type on the bottom, and I start with an at. I'm starting from where I'm at. See how it came up on the command line. 115. I don't remember, it's 115, 115.1. And then I type the angle sign. That's right above the comma, shift comma. Now I do my north 3D 15 minutes west, enter. Okay, so that's when the dynamic is off, you come down to the command line. I'm going to do that again just so you can see. It's do the line command like you always do. Tell it where to start. Left click. Put your mouse anywhere. It doesn't matter where. It can be anywhere. And now I'm just going to let go of the mouse and I'm going to type. At, that's the little symbol above the 2. At. And then I give a distance, 115. No foot symbol or anything like that because this already knows that I'm doing feet. Distance, angle sign, and then your angle. North, 3D, 15 minutes west. Enter. And if I hit enter again, or I can put myself off in the correct direction now and do my next one, and so on and so forth. Okay, so hopefully that will help you. If you are working on a Mac on VMware, apparently there is something wrong. I have no clue what it is, but this is your workaround, and this is actually many people draw in this mode as their preference. Okay, there you go.